GoPro for the win this time, if it works reasonably decent. So here's the deal. I'm wondering what this is for the owner operators out there. I'm wondering what the heck you guys are doing in these tough times to make any kind of a profit. It's tough. I have a few brokers that I can work with doing the flatbed thing, hauling that stuff, dirt, mulch, and I'm just gonna keep bringing you with me like this. And it kind of saves me, because right now on the load board they have a lot of loads that just kind of say $300, you know, local, because like I just run local and I can make money local. Most of the time I'm rolling, I wouldn't say most of the time, a majority of the time I haul multi-axle propane. Well, right now there's none of that. It's what is it, June something, June 30th today. But knowing all these companies that have gone out of business and seeing that plastic in your face, it just has me wondering what other owner operators, like preferably flatbed or leased on to somebody, what you guys are doing to make money. Because it's tough. I'm going back and forth from propane to this right now, because this, you know, at this time of the year is pretty much done. Oh, nobody's side yet. You're going right there. So, it's just got me extremely curious. I know I'm not the only one out here putting in like a dead struggle of just paying the expenses of being an owner operator. It's got me rethinking what I'm doing, I can tell you that much right now. It makes me want to just straight go to like doing side jobs, you know. I've got a little loader tractor and I've got other equipment, zero turn mower and stuff that I could go and put together to make money in a different form than this. But when you look on the load board and you got like 30 loads that are local, that they're coming out of Oldcastle. I've done them before. Those loads pay like $550 a piece, and if you go further, they're like in the $800 to $900 range. Well, there's a broker here in Michigan right now. D&L is what their name is, and they have loads, and they're posting them all $300 a load. There's like 30, so that really screws up what other people would, you know, post a load for, because why would you post a load for $500 or $600 when there's 30 of them for $300? It really makes me want to call them and freak out. But I gotta get this on a strap. It's already been 4 minutes. They're gonna be out here to off-road when I'm not done. Currently in Jackson, Michigan. Finally out of there. I ain't gonna lie. Hopefully this audio is not terrible. I don't even know, like, I think I got there at 2:20. It's 3:45. Oh well, the first pallet he went to take off. Alright, back up. I went in the store right before they started offloading, just so I could like go wander around, not even deal with it. I go to the bathroom, walk the whole store, check some stuff out, smell some things, all that jazz. I come back out and they're picking up the very first pallet off the flatbed, like he tipped it on the trailer. So I'm sitting there for a little while playing on my phone, doing my thing. I look down, I had a tick on my shirt freaked me out. I flicked it, have no idea where it went, so now I'm still thinking, you know, I got the heebie-jeebies scratching and shit, like there's a bug on me. So, I sit there forever. He runs out of propane. I went back in the store. I come back out. They got a new tank on there. They can't get it started. So I walk over there and tighten it down so it's tight enough to put the propane out of the bottle and into the fork truck. Then I sit in the truck and just let them do their thing for like a whole nother hour. I had 18 pallets. Like, oh well. I tell them thanks. Appreciate it. It's probably the last load that I'll have for the entire season, so like, you know, nothing's gonna go right. Hopefully on the way home it does though. Look at them clouds, guys. This thing didn't want to start up. Made it home. Go to oh no. Gotta unhook this trailer because I've got to haul propane tomorrow. Nothing wants to work. What is happening? We got a load from Toledo to Alto, which Toledo's in Ohio and Alto is right by Grand Rapids, Michigan. Not super excited about it. I'm gonna have to move that brick over here. But whatever, money's money. This has been the first week in like, I don't know, 3 weeks that I've started my week out. I ran Sunday and then I got to start my week out yesterday. Well, today, Monday. Wait a minute. Yeah, and tomorrow's Tuesday. But I do have to take Wednesday unless I get a short load. But whatever, like I said, if you guys have figured out some way of making money right now, like local work, owner-operator style, let me know. I'm curious. I'm into doing anything. Or something I could do with this flatbed to just stay continuously busy. Like, is there contracts with companies that manufacture shingles and you can do that all the time? That is fun enough. I gotta... What's up, bro? My theory is I push the brake in, the truck rolls back a little, and then I can pull the dang latch. Let's see if that works. Oh wow. I've never had any trouble pulling that. What the heck? Alright, thanks for watching. No matter what you do, make it look easy. I think I'm stuck to it. I pushed the brake in again and I just pulled it right out. Worked perfect.